Hi, everybody. We're going to do a get ready for, I don't know, an event, work, whatever, and become a witch as soon as possible. Well, step one is find a cheap wig. Well, those of you that saw my video, I bought this on Amazon for $9. Talk about a cheap wig. My goal here is how to demonstrate, oh, you were invited to a Halloween party at the last minute. How do you put a look together really quick? Well, hopefully you already have a cheap Amazon wig in your arsenal. I bought this a couple weeks ago, $9 on Amazon. And I thought it'd be fun to see how fast I could put together either get ready for work and have a last minute costume, or you're going to a party or something just fun where it requires a bit of a costume, and you're only going to use your own products that you already own. Now, you might have amazing hair that you could pull off doing like a really witchy look. This wig always gave me the Witches of Eastwick vibes. So, I thought this would be a really good choice for that. So, I am very much inspired by what was that show? Wicked. That's a very green witch with, I believe she has black eyebrows. I don't think she has red hair, but maybe she does. I honestly can't remember. If anyone can remember, comment below. I did see Wicked on Broadway in New York, and I think it was in 2017, 2018. I took one of my sons, and it was amazing. I loved it, and especially seeing it in New York because the performers would come right off into like the first or second rows. I mean, the flying monkey scene, they were right above us and all around. Oh my gosh. It was just amazing. And I've seen shows before here locally, but seeing it in New York was a whole different vibe. Unfortunately, we don't have I don't know of any shows happening in New York right now that people are raving about. So, did I just put the same color on? I think I did, yeah. Same dark one as the other side, that one. And then this one, oh, it just looks darker over here because of the light. Okay, now we're going to do that lighter one right here in the center. By the way, this is a Huda Beauty palette, all greens. I actually got this in an Ipsy palette because I don't think I personally would buy all greens. But the nice thing about this palette, I use it for Halloween. So it, hopefully it's going to last me another season here. Okay, there's that. Okay, we've gone pretty green there. But, oh my, the party's going to start pretty soon. We got to move a little faster here. Okay, so where is that? Liquid eyeliner. So in this case, we're not going to go too crazy with the eyeliner because when you're trying to create something really crazy with the eyeliner, it's just going to take you so much longer to get ready. Instead, we're going to get the drama from the colors we're going to do with the eyeshadow here in a second. We're going to do more with the eyeshadow. So just try to do a defined line. And I know all you probably have very good tips too on last minute Halloween costume ideas. Now for me, costume is always like, what can I do with my makeup? Because I can just throw on a black dress with this and there's your witch thing and you're ready to go. So pretty easy. I also have some old costumes too, and that makes it easier. Okay, so then, now we're gonna go something that has a lot of green. I think I'll go with that light one again. And I want to use a bigger brush to get the maximum, I think we'll do this, maximum coverage. See how this looks. Oh yeah. So I just start, now this is the very light, this is a light, kind of a light spring green here. And I'm going to put it on areas that highlight would normally go. And we're just going to start working that all over. Green hue. Just put it again in areas where highlight would go because this is the lighter color. We'll put a darker green in a second, but the whole point is because we're trying to save time. I'm not going to have time to do the whole face, right? Because we're trying to either get ready quick for a party or for work. And also, it's nice not to do your entire face, because when the party's over, don't you just want to wash everything off quickly, and you don't want it to take 2 or 3 days for everything to come off? I've learned you don't have to do the face if you can just add some drama to certain areas. Well, I'm taking on a green hue now, finally. Okay, taking out a green hue. Okay, now, if we're done with the lighter colors, should I use this? This is kind of a greenish. Do we like this color? Ooh, you know what? I think I'll use that here for the highlight at the brow bone. Oh yeah, that's kind of, definitely has a green hue and adds drama at the brow bone. Again, we're trying to go quick here. Quick. To see how that we spent so much time getting ready, and it's like, no, we didn't. Green highlight. Okay, now let's use a darker green color, and there is one over here in this. So I'm using this is the hold on, I'm going to show you in just a second here. Just to hit it. Okay, this is the Wild at Heart palette here, and it just has so many different colors. So I'm going to use this green right there, and that's kind of a darker green. We're going to use that as kind of our green bronzer, or where you would sculpt shadow. So now, where we would put shadow, and it's looking pretty. Yeah, it's got a good green shadow going to it. Okay. And we have to decide, are we going to do a red lip like the witch in the play Wicked, or the musical Wicked, or do we want to go more drama and do a black lip? I mean, I think I want to do a black lip because, well, maybe I'll do a dark green lip even. Red would look kind of good though. And then eyebrows. We might have to go very dark with the eyebrows. Okay, so there's our green shadow to give us a little. Now I'm going to come down here a little bit, only just to look a little bit more, give a little bit more depth here, just to look scary. All the way from the eyebrow to the tip of the nose. I'm kind of I'm excited. Halloween's just around the corner. I may wear this look to work. I'm going to do a few other looks, videos, just so we can decide which ones we like the best, which one is maybe easiest. And okay, a very much of a green cast going on. Okay, let's throw on some eyebrows. Got to decide if we're going to go black or not. Well, initially, you know what? I think I'm going to do this blue color, only because we can always put black over it if we don't like it. See, that's pretty dark anyway for this blue-green color. And I like it that it kind of goes with the whole theme instead of just throwing down black, which may seem just the easy way to go. But I think the whole green look will look more cohesive like this, because on camera, this definitely looks black, but it's not. It's this blue-green color. Okay, getting that on really quick. It's coming together. All right, let's use this for our eyeliner below too. I'm not being so nice and neat because I can always clean this with a Q-tip. Just to kind of, I might have to straighten that up a little bit. And now let's kind of bring this together here where I had the eyeliner so it looks more nice and neat. Blend that a little bit. Okay, now let's decide if we go really red. I don't know. I think we should go this dark blue-green color too, right on the lip. Yeah. Oh, I think that looks awesome. That's creepier than if I did a red lip. Because if I did a red lip, you'd be like, is that a mermaid? I think with this look, you would think this could go mermaid with the green, like looking like kind of like a fish, like a real mermaid, like fish skin. You could go that route. Now, how easy is this? Just put eyeshadow on. I'm not using lip liner. I'm not getting fancy. I'm just throwing it on. Now, if I want to get a little fancy, I'm going to take that same eyebrow brush and just line it on. So that way you don't see any red of my lip. Well, I'm getting ideas for other little costumes doing this. Okay, I think lip is... Okay, I think lip is done. And okay, so if we want to add a little bit more drama under the eye, I think I'm gonna go, we need a really bright, and it'll help clean this under eye look, because I want this to look kind of neat, because again, wearing it all day, I'm gonna go back to this kind of lighter, it's almost like a lime color. See if we can clean that up by just popping that there. Again, it matches the top of the brow bone, so that looks kind of cool. And it softens any uneven edges under here, just softens that up. Yeah, kind of cleans that up. Now that I'm looking at this, I feel like we need, I don't know, just more, we need more green or something on the cheeks. So do we dare, let me just see how this would look on the hand. I'm going with this lighter green. Just need a little bit more green sheen. To really accentuate that this is supposed to be green. Okay, I think we're about done. I mean, there's your, oh, we forgot mascara, so we can throw some of that on. And I could, that'll kind of add some drama here too. And help even this out a little bit. So what did I do this in? Under 12 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes to have like a party ready, you know, Wicked inspired witch look. And the nice thing about these lips, they will last all night. And if you want to change the look, you could put a little, like a pink lip gloss, or even like, oh, wait, I have this. We could try this. This is a, should we try just to see what it looks like? 'Cause, oh God, I look a vampire, like, that's kind of, what if I just put that in the middle? Ooh, that's a really cool look. Huh. I like that better than plain green, like just in the middle though, not everywhere. Wow. Oh, that's a cool look that you don't see every day. And, you know, we have the option of putting green down the neck. So if you want to take more time than 10 to 12 minutes, you want to add more green here and here. I mean, I didn't go crazy with makeup all over, but if you wanted to, you could do like a good layer of very white down. But okay, so here's a quick witch idea for Halloween, and I'll come back with some other ideas on the next one. Thanks for joining my channel. Thanks for being a part of this, and I'll see you on the next one.